Hi, this is Maggie, one of your instructors with the Miami Association of Realtors. If you've ever wondered how you can link your social media accounts to make posting a little more efficient, I'm here to quickly show you how you can link your Facebook business page to your Twitter business account. To get started, make sure that you've opened and logged into your Facebook business page and that you have also logged into your Twitter business account. From there, in a separate tab, you can go ahead and visit www.facebook.com/Twitter. Locate the account that you would like to link to your Twitter business account and click on the Link to Twitter button. They will ask you to give Twitter permission to access your Facebook account. Go ahead and authorize the app. The system will finish creating the connection. From now on, anything that you post to your Facebook business page will automatically be tweeted on your Twitter business account and vice versa. So whatever you post on Twitter will also be posted to your Facebook business page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your trainers. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.